What is going on, everyone? My name is Jason, and these are the Apple AirPods. Okay, I get it. When the AirPods first launched, even I'll admit that I was a bit unsure of Apple's design choice, and that opinion wasn't something that people were exactly shy to express. I didn't think that I personally would pick these up, to be honest, but I was asked by a lot of you to review them, so I scooped up a pair this holiday season, and I finally got to cracking them open. And man, am I super surprised at how much I love these guys. And I'm gonna tell you why. Now, before we jump into the review, if you're interested in checking out the latest consumer tech products before you buy them, or if you're just a tech head like me, I make a video like this every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so you can be the first to know when a new JSO review is out and you don't miss anything. That being said, let's check out the AirPods. So let's start off with physical design. First things first, I love how compact the whole package is. Yes, it really is about the same size as a pack of dental floss, and coincidentally similar in structural design. It can easily fit into most pockets, and is really designed to be taken with you on the go. The case is made out of a smooth, polished plastic that exemplifies the simplicity that Apple really strives for, highlighted with its seamless opening, confident latch, and a single lightning port at the base for charging. Opening up the case will reveal the AirPods themselves, nestled in two perfectly molded slots, and at the bottom of each slot are magnetic charging bases that charge the drivers once they're put in. Love the use of magnets here. It's oddly satisfying putting these things back into the case, and you're never left guessing if they're charging, but just in case, there is an indicator light here to let you know that they are. The case comes equipped with an internal rechargeable 398 mAh battery that can provide more than 24 hours of total listening time and can quick charge your AirPods, 15 minutes of charging in the case leading to around 3 hours of music playback, which is really convenient. The AirPods themselves highly resemble the classic Apple AirPods that Apple includes with all their mobile devices, minus one major component, the cable that connects everything together. Aside from that, Apple kept the shape and the size of the drivers to be virtually the same. The bottom of the drivers are tipped with a polished metal, magnetic charging points that securely hold and charge the AirPods in the case. From a physical design point of view, one of my favorite features is just how lightweight Apple was able to make these. Coming in at just 0.14 ounces each, it's incredible that such a modern piece of technology can be so compact and lightweight. A fully charged pair can produce around 5 hours of music playback, which is pretty respectable in the truly wireless market. Plus, they always feel charged and ready to go because of the convenience of the charging case. When it comes to the look and feel of the AirPods, it really comes down to two things: personal preference and the shape of your ears. The fit of the AirPods for some has been difficult, and the best way to get a sense if this is going to be an issue for you is to test out a pair of AirPods. As they're so similar in shape, if you have no problem having the AirPods in your ears, you'll likely have no issues with the AirPods, and vice versa. If you can't get a good fit with the AirPods, I wouldn't recommend these as they're likely to slip out during usage, which, believe me, is extremely frustrating. But I've had no problem keeping these in my ears even during pretty intense active workouts. They're so comfortable due to their lightweight build and truly wireless design. Nothing ever gets in the way or gets snagged on a shirt or jacket, and the experience is only enhanced with the ease of their use. I'll be honest, when the AirPods first dropped, I thought they would look totally goofy on me, but I don't know. I think they look okay, considering that almost all truly wireless headphones look a bit awkward. Let me know in the comments if you guys think these look terrible. Now, you can hate on Apple all you want, but there is no denying that they have the ability to consistently set the bar for advances in technology, and the W1 chip is a perfect example of that. The chip allows for a Bluetooth pairing experience that should be the standard in all devices moving forward. Even right out of the box, all you have to do is hold the case near your iPhone, open it up, and instantly your phone recognizes it and you're paired. It'll let you know how much battery both your case and your AirPods have separately, and if that wasn't awesome enough, once paired to one of your Apple devices, it is automatically recognized by your other Apple hardware, which is super convenient, especially if you're like me and you switch between your phone and your computer often. The AirPods also come with built-in sensors that know when you put them on, and doing so will automatically start your music playback. Correspondingly, if you take one or both of them out, it'll pause your music. Honestly, it's pretty amazing and seamless. Apple did a really good job of not making this feature jerky or laggy, and it's really convenient as the AirPods don't have any physical buttons. Now, this can be annoying for some, as track skipping, volume control, etc. have to all be controlled via your smartphone or by double tapping on one of the AirPods to activate Siri. The double tap again works really well in getting Siri's attention, and though I personally almost never use this feature, it's great to have, especially if you also want to use the AirPods to make calls, which they are awesome for. But let's face it, most people who are interested in picking up a pair of AirPods are primarily concerned with one thing: sound quality. And to put it simply, the AirPods sound decent. The sound signature is very clean and clear, and they act in a way a pair of open back headphones would, in it that the sound stage is a bit wider, but in return, they don't do a good job of blocking out outside noise. The sound is full, and there's a good amount of bass, but it's not exactly pronounced or bass heavy. Again, they are quite similar to the sound you'd get from the wired earpods. Nothing groundbreaking, which can make people wonder why anyone would pay $159 for these. And my answer to that is that the premium connected to the AirPods is more connected to its functionality and reliability than it is to its sound quality. Now, I've tested multiple pairs of truly wireless headphones since I started this channel, and though some have sounded better than the AirPods, none of them can even come close to the ease of use and reliability of the AirPods. They just work every time you want them to. And as simple and to be expected as that sounds, trust me when I say it's not always the case with its competitors. I'm surprised that out of all my Apple devices, these have quickly become one of the ones I use most often, and I fall more in love with them every time I put them on. But hey, that's me. I want to know what you guys think about the Apple AirPods. Do you guys still think that they look weird and they're not worth the price? Or are you as jazzed about them as I am? Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments down below. Okay, that's about it for this review. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. It really helps me out. If you guys missed my last video on these super rugged pair of Bluetooth earbuds, definitely check it out as I'm giving away 5 pairs of them, and it's not too late to sign up for the giveaway, so make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.